up, guys? Jay Venom on here, and we have got some big things going down for you guys. So hope you like it. So our big thing here as we got is fireworks. 4th of July is coming up. We're gonna be doing it on the 5th of July, and we have a lot of fireworks in store for you guys. So let me show you what we got from Pro Fireworks.
See that, guys? $150 of fireworks. That's right. Nice cakes here. We got tons of artillery shells, lots of small stuff. We got a 300 shot Saturn missile, all kinds of stuff. You guys are gonna love it.
So our big plan here is we will be doing on the 5th with my uncle and my little cousin Haley. I think you guys remember her from an earlier vlog possibly. So she'll be here too, and she's happy and she's excited to see these fireworks. Nick will be there, uncle, and me. So gonna be pretty fun, yeah. We have a lot of fireworks, cause a lot of havoc, if you know what I'm saying. But whatever, they're legal. So we got some great stuff for you guys. And I think a few days from here, we'll be going out late at night doing tons of fireworks. So hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Hey guys, we're in downtown Grand Rapids right now, and we're here for fireworks today. Not the ones we have, but Amway fireworks. It's a big show. We got Nick, we got my aunt who's on the phone right now, and a lot of other family members will be coming, so it's gonna be pretty good. Guys, so we've arrived downtown here. As you can see over here, we got some other building, Amway Grand Plaza. Over there, I don't know if you can see that, is the bridge where they're gonna show off fireworks from. Gooses. We got Haley, and right now it's around, 3 o'clock, and they don't start till like 10:30. So Haley's excited, Nick's excited, whole family's coming, a lot of families coming actually. And these are the fireworks, as I said earlier. We're not gonna be doing. These are not our fireworks, obviously, but the fireworks we have are gonna be really fun. So we'll be showing you guys those too. So see. All right, so it looks like 24-hour news has arrived. So we're gonna see if they're gonna interview us later on. Haley's gonna get interviewed, right, Haley?
Sure.
Nick's gonna get interviewed?
Yeah.
So, yeah, no, we're not gonna do it, but it'd be awesome. Alright, guys, we got a surprise. It's a big button. Haley, what's up? What's up?
Huh?
You like it? You like it right where you are right now? You like being above me?
Ooh, I want those.
Whoa. That ain't fair. Those are awesome. Can I ride it? What the heck? It's the whole squad. Alright, so as we make our way downtown, you see a lot of stuff over here. Oh, I hit her in the face. Oh, I'm sorry. But as you see, there's a lot of stuff down here at Amway. It's packed. It's gonna be a fun night. They do so many fireworks. It's so loud. It's like
Boom, boom,
really
boom.
loud, yeah. So we're gonna go show you kind of like the surrounding area. So let's do it. This is the main stadium or whatever you got right here. All kinds of stuff over here. This is where it's all gonna happen. There's the bridge where they're gonna shoot them off. There's the Amway Grand Plaza as I showed you earlier. And there's the stadium or whatever. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Apparently she fell earlier. Fountain. Let's do a reenactment. Dramatic reenactment.
No.
Slow motion.
My head still hurts.
Haley.
Oh, that's awesome.
Haley, you're gonna die.
That kid is drinking the water.
He's drinking the water. He's drinking the water. Look at that. That'd be horrible, man. Whoop.
But you're moving so carefully. Let's start living dangerously.
so I hope you guys enjoyed those fireworks, but guess what? It's not done yet. We still got all these. That's right. We'll be doing those tonight with basically all the family, which you didn't really get to see yesterday because some of them had to find parking. It was kind of crazy. You had to go get them. But they made it. They saw whole show. The show lasted about 30 minutes. It was actually a really long show. I just got some good clips in there for you guys. So tonight you get to see our fireworks. Because that's what you're waiting for, right? Alright, so right now I'm basically just going to get dressed because I'm pretty sure you guys know I'm wearing the same shirt from yesterday. I basically passed out from last night. I thought I was going to throw up. It wasn't good. I'm glad I didn't record that part. Yeah, really glad. And you should be too. But right now I'm just going to get dressed and I will get back to you guys when we start doing the fireworks for the whole fam. So, see you there.
The magic.
First one.
Wild thing, son. That's a tough one. Nice one. Oh, you're getting it almost. Oh, come on. Accuracy is key. Oh, there we go. That's split.
Oh!
That was good.
That was cool.
Deflection. Nice one. All right, light her up. Oh, this could go very wrong. Okay, this could go. Woo! Yeah, boy. All right.
No, we know, boo, we know.
Another one. Here we go.
What's he shooting?
Sideways. You're good. Sideways artillery. Shell.
Shoot at the enemy.
Woo! That thing just got shot back. Better run.
Pretty sure that one goes on its side. Hold on. Wait.
What on its side?
Hold up.
I got it, Drew.
I was just kidding.
You're good.
Wait, no.
No, wait, never mind.
Alright,
All right, now you're good. You're good. Everybody's. It's gonna be awesome. That's not weird.
Alright, so at this point I'm sure you guys are thinking, yeah, this firework right here, it sucks. Well, this was just the beginning. I guess you'll have to keep watching and find out what happens next with this little firework that we have here. Hope you guys enjoyed that vlog / firework video / whatever you want to call. Make sure you guys hit that like, subscribe button. Do not hit that dislike button, but for sure, make sure you guys comment out as well. I'll see you guys next vlog.